Whoa, hey, it's been a minute, and we are long past due for our 2024 plushie project tier list. See, the thing is, I just got all 4 of my wisdom teeth out, like, right before the end of the year, and recovery has been a lot longer than expected. But because I waited so long to make this, I can actually make a full, proper tier list video. I made 12 plushies last year, and today we're gonna take a look at each and every one of their glamour shots and rank them both on numerical order and lettered tiers. Also, forgive me if I sound weird. I feel like I sound weird. Half of my face is still numb. Anyway, as an extra game for you all, I want you all to try and guess which plushie I'm about to reveal before I reveal it. I'll give some clues first so you have time to guess. Now, let's jump right in. In 12th place, earning the first spot in D tier, we have a plushie I loved making. It also had super vibrant colors, which I also loved. And this project even taught me how to use fisheye darts. But now it has found its way to a new home. Place your bets now, because 12th place is going to the Dragon Fruit Dragon. Next up, in 11th place, also earning a spot in D tier, we have a plushie I actually made in 2023, but didn't have the video done until 2024. This plushie was mainly a passion project, but it ended up not having an awesome hug feel, which led to its current placement on this list. Alright, big reveal, 11th place is going to the Mega Bayonet. Next, in 10th place, in our last plushie in D tier, we have a project that I wanted to love so badly. But it was a last minute decision and the colors were just really off. But objectively, it is still cute. So 10th place is going to go to Sprigatito. We move out of D tier and into C tier for 9th place. This plushie took more time to pattern than any other plushie you've seen on my channel so far. I had to completely scrap the first pattern after weeks of testing. And in the end, as much as I wanted to love it, the plush only looks good from certain angles with all of its accessories on. I'm sure you've already guessed which one this is. So 9th place is going to Muffin Healer. Our next plushie in C tier at 8th place is one where I tried a lot of new things. Glass eyes, super glue, fabric dye. It was a lot. But I'm actually very happy with how this one turned out. The only reason that this project wasn't higher on the list is that I had too many projects that I loved way too much. And the main downsides to this plushie were that it was a little small and just like a little bit off model. This one should have been super easy for you guys to guess. So 8th place is going to Anxiety. our last plushie in C tier, and our 7th place entry is going to be a plushie that ended up looking really good. It just didn't have a great hug feel. I struggled with the pattern on this one a lot, but in the end, there were things that I really liked about this one. Like how the face turned out, and how I got the feet to turn outwards. So 7th place is going to a Mr. Scooby Dooby Doo. Next, we have one of only 2 plushies in B tier. Our 6th place plushie is one that I made for the release of a new show, even though this character never showed up in the show. Girl, please. I'm working. Please, baby. If you can lay down nice, I'll let you be here. You can be in the video. Girl, that's not what I asked. Okay, well, you're obviously not gonna do it, so you can get down. I absolutely love how this one turned out, even though nobody watched the video. Prim, that's part of the set. Can you go lay down? There's a whole bed for you over there. Human-sized bed. Think you know who this is? Well, write it down, because 6th place is going to the one and only Platypus Bear. Now we enter into the top 5 plushies of 2024. In 5th place, and earning the last spot in B tier, we have a SewMicah original. This plushie came from a random design I thought up one day and couldn't get out of my head. While I loved how this plushie turned out, this one also didn't really get many views, which sucks because I really wanted to share this one with everyone. Who knows? It could have ended up on the shop even. Figured it out yet? Either way, in 5th place, we have the Mosasaurus. Here's where things start to get a little tricky. These next 3 plushies honestly could have all been tied for 2nd, but I wanted to properly rank them all. So these next 3 are all in a perfect tie in A tier, but for the purposes of this video, they'll still be broken up into plushies 4 through 2. That said, our 4th place plushie is one I put way too much work into. The pattern was extremely complex and time consuming, and I literally almost gave up halfway through sewing it. Now, place your bets, because 4th place is going to go to Bumpy from Camp Cretaceous. Our 3rd place plushie, taking the 2nd spot in A tier, is the first plushie that ever got me thinking that I might be actually kind of good at this whole plushie making thing. I literally surprised myself with my own plushie. It took a ridiculous amount of time to make the pattern, but it ended up giving me the base pattern that has birthed so many other patterns I've made. So 3rd place is going to Evie. We're coming to a close here with our second place plushie of 2024. Also tied in A tier with Evie and Bumpy, this plushie blew me away with the amount of detail I was able to put into it. From the hair, to the clothes, to the accessories too. This plushie was fantastic. So second place is going to the Coraline doll. Now in first place, the only plushie in S tier, and the absolute love of my life. If the last plushie blew me away, this one blew me to the moon. I didn't know how much I was gonna love this plushie until it was done and I held it for the first time. It was amazing. I love everything from its simplistic design to its chunky feet to its perfect hug feel and even more. I honestly think this is the best plushie I have ever made. So first place, and the title of the best SewMicah plushie of 2024 goes to the Target dog. Now I have to know, how well did you guys do guessing which plushie was which? No cheating! I want to know how many and which ones you got right. Put it in the comments right now. Now, I know you all are going to be leaving the second the glamour shots have ended here, but I wanted to thank you all for an amazing 2024. If I'm honest, it was extremely stressful, even with all your amazing support. So this year, in 2025, my resolution is to make a different choice and to break some rules. See, I keep making these arbitrary rules in my mind of how, what, and when I need to upload. And my goal this year is to choose to do something else. To work towards removing these rules and magical thinking about how well my videos will do. Like, no, changing the title for the 30th time before the video has even gone out will not make the one person who can magically make the video blow up see it. That stuff, out the window in 2025. And hopefully you all will be there to see it and how it affects what kind of videos I put out. I can't wait to see what you all think.